Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Do you have a ribbon in your car? If not, you're gonna want one by the end of this video right here. Thumbs up if you bring your cell phone with you while you are driving. And in most states, you cannot touch your phone, at least where I am at. I can't say I've been guilty sitting a stoplight touching my cell phone. Thumbs up if you can relate to that one. But here in my vehicle, that's where the cell phone charger goes. And it's not very easy to do what you need to. Maybe you want to change a song, maybe you're looking at your maps and then you're trying to drive. Well, I have an easy and effective solution to you, and it comes to a ribbon. You're gonna take your ribbon and loop it through the vent. Can you see back there? Now it helps if you fold your ribbon in half like this and then just use a pencil or your sunglasses to pull it through, just like so. Next, lay your ribbon inside the cell phone cover case. Bada bing, bada boom. There you have a very economical holder for your cell phone, rather than buying those clips and then trying to get them inside your vent and wondering if it will fit or not. Amazing. And it's nice and sturdy too. This is way easier to see than looking down here for my instructions. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.